6 ways to preserve marine nature. Do not litter. If the river water is dirty, the sea is also dirty. Do not dump factory waste into the sea. Do not use trawlers or bombs to catch fish. Do not touch the coral reef while diving in the sea. Do not kill endangered animals in the sea. Give strict sanctions to the perpetrators of marine animals vandalism. So, those are some ways to preserve the sea. Hope you enjoy the video.